Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a CapCut template video without watermark. So here, I'm going to be using these templates and I will show you how you can get this template without CapCut watermark. So what you need to do is you can just click on a use template first and add photo or video that is needed for the templates. For example, I want to add these 4 photos and click on next. So this template actually has song in it, but I'm going to just mute that, and here you can just click on export. And here, if you just click on export, it will have watermark in it. Oops. But if you don't want to add a watermark, you need to click on the export without watermark, but you need to link your CapCut to your TikTok account. So just click on this and later it will automatically switch to TikTok. But if you don't want to upload this video to TikTok yet, you can just go back and then your video will still be saved to your gallery. So here you can see it will automatically switch to TikTok. You can just click back and then click on quit, and here you'll be back to CapCut, and I'm going to click done, and let's see if the video has been saved to my gallery. Okay, here is the video I exported, and you see there is no watermark in it. Okay guys, so that's a tip for me to how you can save a CapCut template video without watermark. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.